Hello wherever you are, this is Matt from the Arribatec Training Centre. Welcome back to our YouTube playlist where we're looking at methods for uploading data into Unit4 ERP. We're currently looking at how SQL can be used to insert some Flexi-Field data. In the last video we found the Flexi-Field table name. Now it is time to find that same table in our SQL application to see what data is there and how it is formatted. We will be using SQL Server Management Studio for this purpose. I hope you find it useful. Let's go. Now that we know the table name in which we want to insert information, we can use an application such as SQL Server Management Studio to connect to the database and find that table so we can see how that information is formatted. To do so, we're going to click on New Query and enter a very simple command, which is select asterisk, which is select all columns in the table, from, and then enter our table name, which is AFX DMFF group. Once we hit execute or press F5, the results will appear in the section below that the DM attribute ID is ZZ01, and currently there are 7 lines of data in a Flexi-Field table, all of which exist in attribute value DMVal1. So now that we have these results, we can use the header values and the lines of data to guide us in formatting the data that we want to insert into the table. In the next video, we'll be doing just that by copying this data and taking it into Excel for manipulation.